I'm looking so busted. As fucking usual. But it's like 4 o'clock in the fucking morning. Why the fuck am I up? I actually just got back home. Where my necklace at? But I just got back home because I was at my mom's house because the power was out over here. When I came home earlier, the power was out. So I be up all night. Like, I can't sleep during the day and be up all night. So I decided to go for a drive, and I was like, let me go home and see if the lights are on. And they were on because of this stupid snowstorm, even though it snowed one day and not even a fucking full day. Today is Wednesday, I think. And I'm just making it back home. So I was gone for the past 2 days, celebrating Valentine's Day, which Valentine's, it was okay. It could have been better. And yeah, I don't know. I just feel I'm annoyed by everything right now. And I'm trying not to be. Because I get annoyed easily by the smallest shit. And I'm trying to change my attitude. I'm annoyed by this damn mark on my face. Like, every time I look in the mirror, my eyes just go to right there. Because I had like a fucking pimple right there. And I let it heal. But it left this mark on my face. So now I'm stuck with this ugly ass mark on my face. And I just look busted, period, right now. But yeah, I just decided to vlog something because it's, let me see, I think it's 4:30 in the morning. And I'm up. I've been asleep. Like, I've been sleeping off and on since like probably 6 or 7. Yeah. I really just want to clean up. I have my heater on. I'm waiting for it to heat up, but I like just want to clean up my apartment and like get shit together, because I feel like I just want to put some music on and clean up, because that's what I feel like doing right now. And yeah, but I'm probably not going to do that right now because I'm cold as fuck. I'm not sleepy, but I'm just rambling and I'm like in a daze. I feel like I'm in a fucking Twilight Zone. It's like, why do I feel like can't nothing ever go right in my life? Which I'm not gonna claim that in the universe. But I just feel like it's always something. And I'm not a bad human. Like, I know everybody say that, oh, I'm a good person, but bitch, I'm really a good ass person. But I'm stop rambling. I'll probably try to vlog. I'm trying to get back a vlogging spirit because I really haven't been doing shit. Like, I feel like I don't know if I'm depressed or what. And I shouldn't be depressed because I don't have no reason to be depressed. Like, seriously. Like, I don't want for anything. I don't need anything. I don't need, like, I feel like I have everything that the average person has, but I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me. I need to go see a therapist or something, because I really feel like something is wrong with me. And I really don't want to start crying on camera, so I'm about to get y'all, I just got my nails done, and I'm already missing not be able to make up my mind because, I mean, come on, Atlanta has really nice luxury apartments. Like, this hand is cute. I didn't want to just look at everything and then I fall in love with everything, and I'm not able to decide. Looking so, real raggedy. Yeah, that's why I didn't look at it too. It finally warmed up to 74. When I first got home, oh my gosh, it was like 51 degrees up in here. So It's finally a normal fucking temperature. I'm gonna turn this fireplace off. And I'm gonna go back to my mom's house to see if everything okay over there. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since like probably 2 something. But yeah, I think I woke up around 2. It's still ice. Who got me something? Still icy. And it's raining. What a great combination. Hopefully my car don't take forever to heat up because I was just in it not that long ago. But it is freaking cold. It's 30 degrees, which 30 degrees, I feel like it's been like at least 30 something degrees all week. But then when it snowed, it dropped down to when it snowed, it had dropped down to I think 11 degrees. I think that's the lowest thing I got. Like some places were like 8. Some places like it was like 11. But the weather is not the issue. The issue is the fucking power companies turning power off in certain places. Like that shit is crazy. Because people trying to make it seem like, oh, it has snowed in Texas before. This is not the first time it has snowed in Texas. Like, we can deal with the snow, but them turning off the power and shit like that. I done seen people pipes busted in their house and like the whole fucking apartment flooded and shit like that. Like that shit like that, of course, people have an issue with. But I'm just ready for everything to go back to fucking normal because I feel like I don't know. I'm already annoyed. I don't need nothing extra added to my life to make me even more annoyed because I'm just, I don't know. I'm just ready to be back to normal civilization. Hopefully the power back on. Like coming down the street that I come to my house, all the power was on. So hopefully it stays on. Hopefully this power outage or power shortage shit is done with because ain't nobody got time for that, you know. I at the Hero. I'm looking real fucking busted. But yeah, as you can see, it's 30 fucking degrees. So my brother got me something for Valentine's Day, which he always do. Like, he always give me like chocolate covered strawberries. He do that for me and my mom. He got this candle, Midnight Orchid. The fuck? And it does smell good. He had it in a gift bag and everything, but you know I already took that shit out. He got me this Dolce & Gabbana perfume. It smells really good, and I just love my brother because I'm not even the. Oh, let me. It's not showing. Cause like I'm not even like a gift type person. Like, nah, bitch. I like gifts. But that's not what I expect from people. Like, I'm a quality time type person. Like, I love when I spend time with my family and shit like that. People that I love. So that's what, you know, makes me feel good. But if you want to throw in a gift while we spending time, then I'm all for it. Oh my gosh, I'm looking like so freaking busted, and I feel like I need to dye my roots. Like, do y'all see how much my hair has grown out? So I feel like it's time for me to dye it again. And I think that's gonna be it for me vlogging today, which today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday. February. Okay, the 14th was Sunday. So 14, 15, 16. Oh, but I think I was saying that today is February 16th. February 17th. I don't know. I really don't know what it is. I barely know where the fuck. Like, I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone. I barely know where the fuck I am at. But I think I was telling you earlier that I had a decent Valentine's Day. It was cool. I feel like it could have been better. I feel like I could have had a better attitude. I feel like I could have had a better attitude. But, I mean, I don't even want to go into detail. I might not even put this in the vlog. I don't even know why the fuck I'm saying all this, but I feel like emotions are all over the place. And sometimes that's what one thing, I don't have no earrings in. That's why I feel like I look dumb, because I don't have no fucking earrings in. I just feel like when you expect certain shit from people, that can make you mad, because like you expecting a certain thing or expecting people to do certain shit or say certain shit, and it doesn't always happen like that. But it's like with me, I've learned not to expect anything from people, but then it's like you get to a point where when you close with people, whether it's a intimate relationship or just friends or family, it's like certain shit that you expect people to do. And I feel like I'm always the type of person that I don't know, I'm not gonna say I go out for everybody, but if I care about you and we are close and like you're an important person in my life, then I'm gonna go above and beyond. Girl, why the fuck I feel like I'm about to cry? Like, for what? I don't have no reason to cry, but I feel like I go above and beyond for people. Like, no matter if somebody asks me for something, I give it to them. And I feel like that's never reciprocated. Girl, what the fuck? Fucking dumbass for crying over stupid shit. But because I'm not a selfish person, I'm not stingy. So when I feel like other people are fucking selfish, that shit really fucking bothers me. And it's like, I don't know. I'm not saying about with my family, because like my mom and my brother, like my close family, like my mom and brother, like we are close. Like if I have something and they don't have it, then bitch, and that's how I am. Like if I have something and my friends or boyfriend or whoever in my life don't have something, then bitch, it's ours. Like I'm not no selfish ass type of person. But I feel like other people don't think like that. And I'm not saying, I'm not crying because of fucking Valentine's Day. Like, I'm not crying because of that, because I basically got what I wanted. But I'm just saying, in general, out of my life, I feel like I've always been the type of person that, if you ask me for it, like, bitch, I'm going to give it to you, because if I love you, then I'm a fucking people pleaser. I like people around me to be fucking happy. Like, even with my kids, like, a lot of people be mad when parents spoil their kids, but I want my kids to be fucking happy. I'm not gonna make them struggle. My people think that life, you supposed to struggle. Like, life is not about fucking struggling. Yeah, struggling helps you learn shit. Like, I've been in situations where I've been struggling. I've been in situations where I had fucking money in my bank account where I could buy any fucking thing I want. But my goal in life is not for people around me to be fucking struggling. Bitch, if I had $10 million right now, bitch, everybody that I love is getting a fucking $1 million because I'm that type of person. Yeah, they say, oh, the rich stay rich because they fucking, be penny pinching and shit like that, but I'm not the type of person. I don't give a fuck, bitch. If as long as I have a roof over my head, a car to drive, and like everybody around me is fucking happy, then bitch, I'm fucking happy. Like, money does not bring happiness. It might make you feel content. Like, bitch, I can go to the store and buy something, be like, ooh, I can buy this, but as soon as I buy it, like, bitch, the satisfaction is gone because I have it. Like, money does not buy you fucking happiness at all. But I don't know why the fuck I'm ranting and crying over stupid dumb ass shit. I mean, it's not dumb, but I'm not even no sensitive ass person. Like, seriously, I can go fucking years without crying. I don't know why it seemed like all of a sudden, like, this year, even, I don't know, I just feel like I'm becoming more in touch with my feelings because I used to be the type of person that just block shit out. Like, I would never confront my feelings or like talk about my feelings, bitch. It would just be suppressed in the back of my mind. Like, I would really suppress shit in the back of my mind to the point where I would forget about it, and I'll be like, did it even really happen? Because like, I tricked my mind into believing it, like, it was fake. Like, I don't know, but it seemed like now I'm trying to become a better person and confront my feelings and not hide shit, because I used to be the type of person, I'm a blunt, opinionated person, but when it comes to my feelings, I wouldn't even talk about them. I would just suppress them and not say nothing. Like, I remember even in my old relationships, I would not even say nothing. It's a lot of shit that I seen and saw, but I would not even say nothing. I would just act like nothing ever fucking happened. But I'm not doing that shit no more. Like, that shit. I'm trying to be a grown woman, and, because I don't want my kids to be like that. I don't want my son to be like where he don't want to talk about his feelings and shit like that. People think men are supposed to be so fucking hard and not talk about their feelings or express how they feel, and want to call them a simp and shit like that, but I don't feel that way. I feel like it's necessary to talk about your feelings and shit like that. But all right, I'm done rambling. Why are my hands shaking? I don't think you can tell on camera, but like, my hand is fucking shaking. But yeah, I'm about to probably clean up a little bit and probably take a nap, because it's 8 something in the morning. I've been up since probably like 2 a.m. and like, my hand is really shaking. I've been up since like 2 a.m. and it's like 8 a.m. now. I went and got my mom some coffee and took her some donuts and stuff because she don't have no power at her house. But I think she said she about to come over here. All right, but I'm gonna end this right here, this vlog right here. I don't even know what other fucking footage I have. It's probably like nothing like major to be putting in, because I haven't really vlogged nothing. I might make this little rant separately because I don't know, but I will see y'all in the next video.